Want to grow your own grapevines for free? It's simple, reliable, and costs almost nothing. All you need is a healthy branch from a strong, established vine, no special equipment required. The best time to take cuttings is late autumn through winter, when the vine is dormant. This gives the highest chance of strong roots. Choose a mature, disease-free stem and look for 3 clear nodes. These are the small bumps where new leaves, shoots, and roots will grow. Strip off every leaf first to stop moisture loss, then cut the stem into sections so each cutting has exactly 3 nodes. This is the key to success. Make a sharp, angled cut just below the lowest node. This helps it absorb water easily and grow roots faster. Take a clean plastic bottle and fill it almost full with water, but leave only 2 to 3 centimeters empty space at the very top. Next, take a soft tissue and fold it around the middle node of your cutting. This tissue acts as a stopper and support. It holds the cutting firmly in place at the bottle's opening. When you lower it in, only the very bottom end and the lowest nodes sit in the water, while the middle and top nodes stay completely dry above the waterline. This way, the stem gets enough moisture to grow roots without rotting. Cover the whole top loosely with a clear plastic bag to keep the air humid, then place the bottle in a bright, well-ventilated spot. Only indirect light, never direct hot sun. Change the water every 5 to 7 days to keep it fresh. In about 20 to 30 days, you will see thick, healthy white roots forming. Once the roots are 3 to 5 centimeters long, you can plant the cutting carefully into a pot with good quality, free-draining potting mix, and add a small stick to support the young stem. After planting, water it deeply once, then keep the soil lightly moist but never soggy. Water only when the top 2 to 3 centimeters of soil feel dry. Usually this means once every 5 to 7 days in warm summer weather, and once every 10 to 14 days in cooler winter months. Once it settles and starts growing new leaves, move it gradually into full sun. Grapevines need 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day to stay strong and produce fruit. In just a few months, you will have a healthy young vine, and in 2 to 3 years, it will give you plenty of sweet grapes. Happy gardening!